In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ESPN on Disney+. So in order to use ESPN, you'll need to have access to ESPN through an eligible subscription. So unfortunately, not every single type of Disney Plus subscription is going to give you access to ESPN. So over here, I have a chart that pretty much walks you through everything. So over here is the most common subscription, which is the lowest price one, and it is $12 a month, and it will give you access to Disney Plus and Hulu. We then have a middle tier over here, where if you purchase it for $20 a month, you'll get access to Disney Plus, Hulu, and HBO Max. And then from there, you're able to use HBO Max on your Disney Plus subscription. But if you want to get access to ESPN in particular, then unfortunately, you're going to need to get the highest subscription, which is this right over here. So it is going to cost $36 a month, which is just absolutely insane in my opinion. And that is going to give you access to Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN. So you're able to go ahead and select right over here in order to actually sign up for the subscription. So that is the subscription you're going to need in order to actually get ESPN on Disney Plus. So if you're in a situation where you have Disney Plus and then you try going to the ESPN section, it might not give you full access to it because you will need to go ahead and upgrade your subscription. So it is a little bit unfortunate, but you are able to get some things over here, which is definitely pretty nice. But if you want to get like the full experience, then you will need to upgrade your subscription. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.